Press the latch and slide to separate. Paste 3M VHB. Align the direction. Press to confirm that the application is secure. Install the device end bracket to the comma for making sure it is in place. After installation, the fit is tight and will not fall off even if it shakes. Demonstrate the installation of the set screws next. The set screws are for further reinforcement. Of course, you can also choose not to pretend. Install flat cables. Perfect fit for the device. The bracket and equipment are installed. Next, we will demonstrate the connection of the HUB box. Connect the data blocker with a USB cable labeled Lucas Long. Remove the hub box. Connect the USB cable marked Lucas Long to the hub box. Don't plug it in wrong. Connect the USB cable labeled OBDC to the hub box. Connect the other end of the USB cable marked OBDC to the comma harness box. Connect the other end of the USB cable marked Lucas Long to the longitudinal upgrade box. Demonstration of the complete system connection.